Welcome to Dan ERG YouTube. This woman wey you dey see for here so, wey carry razor blade mark for her hand. The man wey she marry, na 4 wives na the man get. One of the wife carry razor blade go meet this woman for the house where she dey, because they no dey live together. She carry razor blade go meet this woman. Use razor blade take tear her hand. Na luck na the woman get, say she no use the razor blade for her face or use am take kill the woman. After the woman don survive that one, the man wey marry this woman go dey meet this woman where she dey. They beat this woman. The woman say she don tire for the marriage. She no want again. So make Kola Edokpayi help am, make she for free from the man. She no wan marry again. So make I leave you, make you hear the woman story.
Okay. Madam, good morning. Have an afternoon with day. What is the time, sir?
It's afternoon.
Afternoon, okay. Madam, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, you are welcome to our human rights program. You understand, this is our program. Now, people you want to speak now, this is our program. Would they address the human rights issues? Any issue that has to do with human rights violation, with domestic violence, molestation, rape, and so many other issues we address and here for our human rights parliament. So you briefly tell us your name and tell us why you come human rights house. You understand? You know what you understand what I talk? Okay.
My name is Yabu Alao. Why I come human rights?
Wait.
That is my son.
That is your name. What of this young man? Jeffrey who?
Jeffrey Agawa.
Agawa. Okay. Yeah.
Why I come this human rights office? Say my second tried to kill me after all the wahala. After they don't arrest him.
Who be your second? You just say your second. Second son will be your second.
My second for us, that is my Oga second wife.
Okay.
Now me be third. So on the 3rd of March, me and my Oga get small argument. Later on, he say na him me dey talk to. My Oga come tell me say his wife. They talk say that they are not to no good. I no make mention of say they are not to no good. Now my neighbor say buy not to. Now say if me reach house, I close or I'll call the woman. Man ask her why you know they mind the business. When I close or school that by the teach. Now I call and tell her, I go call the woman. I say, what did the happen? What did you go to tell my God? Say me say una not to no good. He say who go kill me. Now I swear for her back. Comfort call. But before I know, he don't come my house, he don't come enter my room. He bring knife. He felt they bring the knife on my chest. When I see the knife, small knife when they say they cut her, now say my son quickly call my pikin, may go call people come. Before he don't call people come, he don't bring razor blade come out from inside bag. He don't bring razor blade come outside. He cross the bag, take am. Tear my hand, I be this hand, so he tear my hand like this, stab me for back too. My back, I wear shirts now. People for house come gather, some come rush me go hospital. Before I one man for a compound with other neighbors, they come rush me go hospital. Before I reach hospital, I come faint. I not come wetin happen. Later on. Yes. Okay. Later on, as I dey
what's the thing that is still doing this one?
Na razor blade.
Razor blade?
Yes, both hand and back.
What that fresh picture said that?
You did my phone.
Okay, you for the phone, you see display. Okay, continue.
Later on, when I dey hospital, I come hear, I don dey okay. I come see say they bring the woman come hospital, say make come see the woman when be one key. Then some people carry am go police station. After then, they come carry and go police immediate hospital. Later, they come refer me to specialist again when they see how my body be.
Wait, all this time with these things they happen. So where your husband dey?
He be no one come because he say me no dey gree sleep with am. Na cause the whole issue. When I dey go up, I no dey get chance. It's just only one day. Na cause the whole issue. So when neighbors dey call am for phone, he dey insult them. He no gree come. Now when one of his brother call am say my case serious, na he come.
Okay, continue.
When they come carry the woman go station, they come before they carry am go station. They ask am wetin make you be wan come kill this woman. He say since when your husband retire, na only him dey feed take care of the family. Now they sit ask the woman, this woman when you be wan kill, na only him see dey take care of this his son. Money they no never break. This woman don take back, e don go home. When me don dey okay for specialist, I come with my mom dey they come send for my mom even come. My oga come dey talk say the person wey carry me go hospital na dey friend me, na dey use me, and na neighbors na dey carry me go hospital. After they don discharge me, they come still bail am for police station. They come say make we go settle the matter. Na they come write signal give them say they don refer the matter, transfer am go state CID. We reach state CID. My uncle, my mom, me, the wife, and my oga. When we reach there, they say don't tell when they signal my signal because my case serious well. They come they say oga, you know if you settle this thing before. He say they try settle am bet. He no know what to do again. And whereas they no come back, nothing. When we come go commissioner of police for state CID, they ask the woman how many wife your papa marry. He say 2. They come say wetin you wan kill this woman for, how many children you get? He say 5. They ask me how many I get. I say na only this one. Now they say the woman will go there for it. The commissioner of police for state CID throw the file say he must go in for this. My oga come dey beg with serious begging with my come dey beg mama, dey beg my people. Meanwhile mama say if I tell my oga your wife go sign undertaking, say your wife no go sign undertaking. That time we never transfer the matter. Now mama say okay, since you say your wife no sign undertaking, now be say you transfer the matter go state. Now we take transfer and go state CID. Right now, after I don beg, we call the referrals go to. They give us some other day, say maybe settle the matter. After I don beg, we come say okay. They say you want go settle the matter. You call the family members. When you call the family members, the first Sunday of this very month, family members they come talk put well. They say for the woman to leave the house, come meet me for my own house. Now they say if you want kill me. They come say me for no cause woman for fun. I come stand up tell them the reason. Say I not just carry the cause this woman for phone and something leads to that and see the reason because I no get the phone number for my phone. I no store and I write and put. They come say the woman go bring 1 carton of beer, 1 shinap and go cook. They say me go bring 1 carton of beer. Meanwhile, they come dey talk say me go come swear ojuju. Say me no go see another man, one of my oga brother. Say men dey follow me. I no see any men wey dey follow me because na work I dey work. Na this coronavirus dey ground na school shut down when I no call the people dey go school. Now I tell them say I no dey swear.
Okay, continue.
Now I stand up, I come say me no get money to pay for any carton of beer. Make they ask their brother how much he dey give us. Now 10,000 they give us till month end.
Wait, how much you say how much you say your husband they give you for 1 month?
10,000 naira
for 1 month. Like to feed
me and my pikin. If the money finish, where no they let me ask say make he give me money because the 10,000 if I don't use am put 2 times money don't finish. I'll come go dey find where to borrow money. Me no dey worry as they give me the 10,000 I even dey manage am. So now I tell the family say I no get money for carton of beer. 2,000 now say make give me man take buy cellophane man start as school no dey na make I dey see money for am. He say no get to, he say 5,000 go give the other of the woman for Auchi because na 4 wife he get. He still get another one for Auchi wey born for am one pikin. Now rest. Now family say okay, what to do now? Make I wait. They will give me money. That on Sunday, one come give me 5,000. Man take go start the selfie business. They don't go finish. They quarrel one of him. Because they say that 5,000 when one of his brother give me, make I use and go take buy one carton of beer. Now I say no, I know they buy one carton of beer. If you don't give me the 10,000 when you give us say they eat, I'll for them buy the one carton of beer. Quarrel start again that day. Me with your brother call the quarrel, make up for month. He can't reach on Sunday. Why I can't this human rights? As they settle the issue when the wife bring things come, me don't see anything bring. Because I tell them say I don't get money. Because when the man pension with a big salary for rapid success team, rapid response. Now when they collect their big money, he give the wife 500,000. The man tell me, even when the wife first talk the matter for family issue, he even talk and say he give am 500,000. But they don't give me even 10 naira. They don't give me even 1,000. I don't know what they want to keep me put. Now government school now put my pikin.
Okay, which school this your pikin dey go?
Now Asolo grammar school.
Not be private school be that one?
No, government school.
Why you not put am for private school?
The papa say no get money.
Papa say no get money to go private
say
school?
Say no get money. Inside class they be about 200 and something and only I get. So I put am for.
No that. Okay, I'll ask you a question. Don't continue.
I don't put am for government school. That day on Sunday, why me even run come here? Because the man wan kill me, no dey let me get this, no dey let me get rest of mind. Because me no want again. I don tire, I no wan marry again. That make me even run come here. But I believe say na there go even help me more than police. Because the man say he strong pass me, I believe say no strong pass God. That on Sunday, last week Sunday, after they don do the meeting finish, na him wife come say get wetin he wan talk. He say make the man no dey too quarrel, make dem notice say na him dey engineer the man. They call dey talk. Na me raise up and say I get wetin I wan talk o. Make him family member help me talk to the man. If woman offend man, if he beg, he dey forgive. But this man no dey want to forgive, he no dey wan hear beg, and may no dey spoil the one wey dey house name to me. Because na he lead to this one. He say na the woman tell am say their motor no good and I no tell her anything about motor. May no dey spoil my own name to the finish. The man the beer wey dey drink with tumbler. Na so take am stone me for belle. The family all dey there. They go dey say oga wetin be this epa wetin be this, they speak their language, dey talk to am. They come say man still kneel down beg am, and he then kick me again, push me, use my head hit ground for step down. He come write account number. He say the 10,000 wey he give us since on the 15th of this month, he write the account number. He say man go withdraw and come give am. He say because the money no give us to eating, may I go bring am. That's how money wey you give us to now you say man go withdraw bring am. The family dey there, they beg am, you know here. Na so the man do. He no dey let me get peace. He no dey let me get rest of mind. Come seize my phone. Na him get the phone. My friend dey use, but my SIM card na me buy am with my money. He say until I go bring that money wey he say make we take dey chop before he go bring the phone. They say if they go bring ojuju come family member, they say make I swear. I say I no dey swear anything because they no pay for my head. One of him brother for there beat my pikin, see the man for him hand wey they say make my pikin bring the phone. So my pikin come say no get phone wey go bring, they beat am. And then I go carry my pikin, I cry for months. My landlady place now come on go. I come tell her wetin dey happen, where he rent for us. Now that one say each time wahala for this, he go send for am. Now say mom, if you send for this man, no go answer, no go. I say why no answer? I really send come. When he come talk wetin happen. Now tell am say he go say if he wan meet with me, make my pikin dey go outside. He no dey wan come, he no dey come for night. Say make he come stay. Now I tell my landlady everything when they happen as I dey take the job so. Now my landlady say may give me that phone because now my people no fit reach me. I tell my landlady say he even talk say if you no bring the the money wey dey give us make we take chop, he no give me the phone. He say he go bring am. I come still tell my people, tell my uncle, my people say man leave the phone for am. When they come and he no dey pick the call. So after then I come house. My landlady call which day for your Sunday. He say when he call mama, like mama say the phone still dey with the man. Till now, till today, he never see bring the phone. I don't even need the phone. I need my SIM card. That make me run call him because they threa ten me say he the load when he buy for my room, he go come pack them. Since me no one time again, say he go come pack because me no even want the man. One man I get peace. I no wan marry again. So family dey take care of the pikin and send me money. One take dey feed them. Come in, I'm just private teacher. I no get where I dey forget money. Abeg una help me because me no wan marry again. I don tire. Because they try to say he go kill me, he go kill my pikin. Now take one point.
Thank you. You say according to what you talk, you say na 10,000 naira na they get you for 1 month. Till they cook one pot of soup or the whole month. The whole month. Now they use 10,000 naira. Now they give you 10,000 naira.
Yes sir.
The whole month.
Yes sir.
Okay. But now way you should not do so. You got to feed this your boy. You got to feed and now way you should not do so.
The money we give us is on the 50 of this very month. The 10,000 now see they use the coin. Don't even finish. The last 1,000 that I went in my hand now take even come here today so.
Okay, in all this now, your people, what do you now you say you don't want to marry again? Now what will be the position of your own people for this matter now?
They don't first say me I marry this man because they first see how the man be, but the man don't show me character like this. If not, I for no even put my body. But my people want me man don't marry him. So not be the one decide for me. Now me take decision say I don't want again before they will kill me. Before they come to me this one, me don't tire. I don't want again. Wanna help me because I need peace. I don't want make the man they come and ask me. I don't want get anything to do with the man again. I need peace. So if I make before they give me money, man say they feel pikin. They make it they take responsibility of the pikin. Because if the pikin even they sick, if I tell her get one certain time the pikin break am. This man say no get money. He dey with the wife, the other of the wife for out. Now my madam for school. Where they teach now they help me when I take pay 9,000 naira where they rob the pikin and when it take go down.
Okay. So that you say this your pikin and
Wait, madam.
okay.
This your gaso, he put money for your head. Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, so this your pikin and Asoro Grammar School and you go.
Yes.
Which class? What class are you? Just S3. How old are you? 13. You are 13 years old. Very another 5 years time you'll be an adult. Then you'll be 18 years. But you normally see or experience what happened. Can you with my speaking English, you fit talk to us? You dey see wetin happen now, you not be smoking, you are 13 years now. And that 5 years now you be 18. You dey happy with wetin your papa dey do? You dey happy with wetin your papa dey do?
Yes.
Okay, you are dey happy with your papa.
The way your dad dey treat your mommy, you like am?
Yeah.
You fit tell us 1 or 2 things wey you don see your dad the way they treat your mommy wey you not like.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, tell us now. Speak pidgin English.
She always beat my mommy.
Always bitter.
And if your dad dey beat your mommy, where you dey?
I'll be there. I'll be crying.
Okay, you'll be crying.
Yes.
You know like you do referee one. You know they do referee. Okay, you'll be crying. Okay. And what do you want? What do you want the human rights community to do? What do you want the human rights to do for you now?
Stop all those kind of evil acts.
Okay. They should tell him to stop.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Madam, this one we say you say you not go marry again. May they leave. What if you can't come now and say you go change? Say you not go do all those things again.
You know they change.
What if if you can't tell us, give us an assurance, say you not go do all those things again.
You know they change. Even if you talk, I don't already make up my mind. I know what I did.
So wetin they try to tell them more go on with the matter.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. No problem. Any other thing you want to talk again before we end the session?
Another thing when I want to talk, you go say na me and my people dey engineer my son make dem no make him no like am. No be you see wetin he dey do to me. So me don tire. I no want again. Make I get peace. Make continue with the rest of your wife. But make they give us money. Make I tell they feed my pikin.
But when they say, person be say, at least person be say marry 5 wives. Now my papa marry 4 wives. All of the wives, all of them deal with him before he died. They treat everybody well. Me don't know why.
So say my
I not be the same house. Not be the same house when I dey.
Even the woman when come you want kill me, we know they the same house.
You not be the same house when I dey.
No sir. Now from a house he come my room. Now police even investigate. They see where blood for my room.
Just give me the mark. Might see the mark again.
Go for back.
This kind of marks in your back.
Yes sir.
Jesus. Wow.
Think that as a bill. Tilapia, you don't have anything to talk me. You have anything to say? Because I know all I will go by the special grace of God. We will write to you say the matter the police and before.
He didn't police am before, but come close the case.
Okay, one more reopen up because we'll still inform. You see a retired police officer?
Yes, for rapid
response. Okay, no, a retired police officer.
Yes.
So what we will do now, at least we'll see write copy. We'll write to Ministry of Driver and be okay.
Yes.
Ministry of Women Affairs.
Not be officer.
No be officer.
Drive under police.
Yes.
Drive with them till they retire. It's not an officer.
Now driver I be.
Yes.
Not be not the wear you police uniform.
They wear police uniform.
Now uniform. Now police now.
It is say.
What did they talk? Now police officer now. Which rank is they retire?
The picture dey here.
Marcia. Yeah, a lot of people now they watch. Mama, I greet you. The madam speaker. I did see you. I greet you, ma. May I see the picture? Where the picture? Quick. Okay, now police now. I don't know. So, yeah. Okay. Now start now ASP. Now retire ASP. ASP. Okay. I don't know. Okay. The co-panelists. What do you have to?
You see,
say,
my comrade and the people of the world, things like this, if you don't put a stop to them, it will continue. And God forbid, this kind of thing will lead to our sister here, who lose her life. So, I want to beg the Human Rights House, led by Master Scholar Edobayi, to do everything what they could do to help Madam Iyabo, so that she could get peace. The torture when she dey go through, if you read her containers, you go know say na hell she dey. She did hell. So I know wetin this commission go fit do, this Human Rights House. So that's why as Madam Iyabo come, I make her understand say a solution for here na guarantee. So with time, we wan see wetin Human Rights House go fit do for Madam Iyabo to give her victory, give her freedom, so that she's not going to experience this inhuman treatment. Imagine wetin somebody do to her. See. Now attempt to kill somebody now. This kind of scar dey her back. Imagine the object going into her stomach. They don't die with that. So I know say this commission, this human rights house handle this matter very well with all this case. But you get picture of fresh picture of when this thing happen.
Yes.
Is dey abi? Okay.
Is there your phone? Okay, transfer again.
The picture is say dey inside envelope.
We go the envelope.
E dey with.
Bro, we go the envelope. Okay, this car. Bring am. Yeah, Sophilus, I cite you. Hey, Baba Smolly, Adolf, Uwato, Umega Yawu, Egwatwe, Baba Egwatwe. Okay, wait the picture.
I wan bring am come out so make we see am, make the world see wetin these people go wan do to this woman. Dem wicked see am na Madam Iyabo na.
Na you be this one?
No be this Madam Iyabo.
Yes, sir.
But you can't change.
You see am for here?
Wait, capture am. Shift am, so can see. Now you want be this one. So na class take do this one. So
Razor blade.
Razor blade na you take design your hand so.
Yes, sir. Both back.
Okay, this one I don't explain the station. Okay.
So my leader, you imagine person wey fit do this kind thing. Na attempt to kill person, na the person go for. So thank God say they no succeed for their plan. So I want justice to be done. I want make this woman request make dem grant am. She say she no wan marry again, no be forced to marry. So she don dey fed up. For woman to say no dey marry again na something cause am. And this era dey beat woman, they don beat women. You don beat women, you don treat women like that.
One of the woman wey be say the man be like razor blade, you sure say Iyabo man don be like razor blade, so they talk before one even the man kayalo they dey fight say because you know say get some women like that once you talk one they don talk 300.
My leader,
you know
my leader,
that look you do the song say every over my dead body now say no fit make tea for woman. They say one woman to talk one woman want talk 50. When they come from Mrs. Iyabo, we go. I know say people somewhere say the man a vampire. Okay, continue my bros.
You see. Let me respond to that question wey you raise her. You see, na women nature be that. Na mouth na their power dey. So when woman dey run her mouth, as man you suppose get, na you be head of the house, you get tolerance. No woman wey dey perfect, no woman wey no dey run mouth. Why other men never beat their wives? Why other men never injure their wives or come make a result of this issue? I guess somebody be say get 3-4 wives, they fit dey manage them well, they no dey quarrel. The children are living well, they go private school, peace in the house. So why this man no fit do the same thing wey be say he wan kill this woman? Na bad thing do man do to marry am even when do man know say he first still get wife.
But polygamy na be the best na.
What about it do man do before?
No, polygamy is the best na. It's the better part say person marry. Oyibo dey tell you now say okay make you no marry more than one wife. That same Oyibo will tell you say make you go dey sleep with dog, make man go dey sleep with man. Wey dey take destroy our culture. We have to go back to our roots instead of practicing this Western style that discredit polygamy and give credit to homosexualism and lesbianism. And for me, it is absolutely antithetical to the philosophy of ethics and ethos. You know, not a bad thing. A bad thing to marry.
Not be bad thing, sir. That's how we talk. So that topic now for another day.
Okay.
We fit bring that one come this human rights program. We'll deliberate on our well.
Okay.
A very good topic with that one because all those Western culture they say God give us. So we know if they use that one now. Madam Iyabo, I want to ask you one question. You sure say You no run mouth wey come make this man provoke and the wife. You no swear for them, you no curse them, you no do them wetin make them come lose their temper. No be say do man come dey attack you.
I no run my mouth because wetin really happen the day when say man come if the people don go church man come sleep with am that day I no get chance. So the next day I come dey call am, he no pick. When I close for school on Monday or 5th or the 2nd, now I come go the house. I say make you no vex o, say I no come meet up with the time when you say my take home. Come settle with me. Na from there I come say my neighbor buy motor. Say na better motor, no be all this old motor. But they ask me which kind of motor. I say I no know the name, but I know say na better motor. When I don go out finish, I dey work when he call me, say wife say na their motor no good. I say which one be formality? You were there when I told you my neighbor buy motor. Okay, when I reach house, I'll call the woman. Say make me go dey follow me o, he no need me again. I say he don reach all this kind wahala. When me reach, I now call the woman say wetin go dey tell you? My oga say me say una motor no good, but two of them get motor.
Sorry, which woman? Your oga second wife?
Yes.
That is Mrs. Faith so?
Yes,
okay.
Mama Osareme.
Okay.
Now they dey call am where the whole world know am from.
Okay, Mama Osareme.
Yes.
Okay.
Now he say Ogu go kill me. Now me take swear Ogu for am back for phone. Now they take come my house come say okay.
Come design you with razor blade.
Yes.
Okay. No, I think they insist on this. Your somebody be your name again. What is your name again? Jeffrey. You said he's attending Asoro Grammar School,
Yes, sir.
government school.
Yes, sir.
Why? I don't know. Why didn't you relocate him to the private school where you teach?
My salary no good.
How much your salary?
12,500.
12,500. Okay. And the school fees there is how much?
It's about 11,000.
The school fees.
For now GST dey.
How much did they pay for just for that your school? How much be their school fees for there? You know, so if you tell me 7,500. Okay, when did they resume school now?
I
Never know because of this. Okay, this outbreak of this pandemic.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. We'll see how we'll take relocate her because if they go from JSS to that, if they go that school, I don't know where it is. Where, sha? Anyhow. Okay, yes. Before we round off this interview session, I think for those of us, those of our friends that followed or that are following our program, I think I can see my very good friend Deborah Ogbefun. I greet you. That's my lady. Unique Sammy. I greet you. Theophilus Obo, the man who pass us the whole money we never see pay. Don't worry. Your money will soon come. That is my Ray Jeff, that is my governor, Stephen JP. I see you. Yes, I see my Riri Smolly. Yes. Alexander Ego Ishaka. Yes. Mama Speaker. Mama, I greet you. That is my mama there. Madam Speaker, I cite you. See my friend, yes, Orobo, yes, EC, Townsend, and Joshua, Tracy Binoke, Baba Greg, oh, happy birthday, Baba Greg, who ato, Tomosa, and Nancy Asemuta, Baba Nicolas Ugbo, Domo, yeah, Leader John, MC Officer. Yes, MC Officer, I see you. Preservance Omonuwa. Yes. And every other. The AIG. Adolf, sir. I greet you, sir. Oga Balogo, Olamilekan. All this is your big picture, 5 picture. All those big gas picture where they put for this thing, so you say you like the chair. I don't understand though. I greet you. General Sonny. Yes, Barrister Iswaje, I greet you, and I greet everybody. So this, thank you, Ekundayo Moni Bright. Yes, but by the special grace of God, like I said before, we are going to write a formal petition to the Commissioner of Police to. You see, I don't withdraw that one before, Abi. I don't withdraw that one affair. I don't withdraw that one before. Okay. We'll write to Ministry of Women Affairs. You say you don't want to marry again. Let me say tomorrow. If they don't call you after they don't call you, they don't send to you. They see us say we bad person. Say you must go marry. Say this thing is sweet well.
I say I don't want to get.
You talk because you be part of our demand. Say, may the authority. When they prepare on the man, make the man leave you. Say you don't want to marry again.
May talk how you continue.
Yeah, they feel no, that one is not Martin. We'll talk how until they pay Jeffrey school fees.
Yes.
And you pay his school fees and the feeding.
Yes.
Yeah, no, that one is not Martin. But how until they pay because salary now, then you feel they pay your house rent.
We cope on that.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, we may train this your picking well because I don't know. But they are not the fee for her. The fee for her as a father, the fee for her. And you train her well. Jeffrey, come. Hear me. You said you are in JSS JSS 3. So you want to be a lawyer or you want to be a doctor or you want to be a policeman? Doctor. Okay. Who is a doctor? Treat someone. Okay. You want to be a medical doctor, okay, or you want to be a surgeon. You know surgeon? Who is a surgeon? A doctor that performs operation. Or you want to be a gynecologist. Okay, the grammar too much. Okay. Or you want to be a pediatrician. That one too much. Okay, it is well. God will definitely make your dream come true. You shall be celebrated. No weapon fashioned against you shall prosper. You shall be celebrated. Because the Bible says the stone the builders rejected will definitely become the head cornerstone. And there's no way you will be a lema in Benin. There's no way you will be a bad boy. There's no way you can shake yourself with bad boys. I see greatness in you. Keep it up. Always be a good boy. Always respect your parents. Always read your books. Despite the fact that you don't go to no school now, schools have been shut down as a result of this global pandemic. But just find time to always be very close to your books. But you have books now.
Yes.
You have books. You have books, Abi. Which textbook do you have? Okay, reader. What's the name of the? Is it Macmillan? But we never use Macmillan then. Is it Macmillan? What's the name of the? Extensive English or what's the name of the reader you use now? Oxford. Okay, it is well. Yes, sit down. Yes, I want to our viewers. I say, may God bless you. Join us on Wednesday for our human rights program, another human rights program, because we are going to be organizing our human rights program Monday and Wednesday. So whenever we have people, individuals that have complaints of human rights violation, we'll bring them in. But our main topic is to discuss copiously human rights and marry it with the realities on ground. Thank you, and may God bless you. Diomo, okay, good job. God protect and bless you for the good work you are doing for the people. Amen. People of Edo State. Amen. Thank you very much, Mr. Jeff. Thank you for the good job. Where's you? Nana power. If not, will be me. We will figure they do human rights on a prayer. But we'll continue to do the work Almighty God sent us to do. God, the Bible says, I must work the work of He that sent me while it is day. The night cometh when no man can walk. We are going to start Madam's work immediately. Thank you and God bless you.
Now when you don't hear this woman's story, if you get any advice for the woman, If na comment section you wan put that advice wey you get for this woman, put am for there. And this video, make you help share am, so that if in case any other woman dey wey dey go through wetin this woman dey go through for her husband hand, make dem for learn from this woman, so that make dem fit know wetin dem go do. Because many women dey wey dey go through wetin this woman dey go through, so dem no know where dem go fit seek for help. So abeg, this video, make you share am to take help this woman, because somebody wey you go share this video go meet, e fit get help wey go give this woman. So abeg, make you help this woman. Share this video. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.